Happy Middle School Monday. We're going to take a look today at the middle school technical exercise. It's on page number 54. It's etude number 17, and we're going to focus on measures 3 and 4. Let me take a second and show you how to use both your right and your left pinky keys to accurately and effectively play measure 4. So let's dig in. We're going to start by using our right hand C, followed by a B on the left. An A and an F sharp that don't require any pinky keys follow. Then it gets exciting. We're going to play a C sharp on the left. So find the C sharp on the left. There's a group of 4 here. It's the one right there, just on the outside, C sharp. That's immediately followed by a right hand D sharp right there. Find your 4. It's this one closest to your ring finger. So those 2 notes, C sharp and D sharp, right next to one another, left, right. Then another E, F sharp, and we're going to finish with a solid B. Use both pinkies, B. Measure 4 slowly looks like this. C, B, A, F sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, B. Let's play it together slowly. Ready, and go. One more time. Ready, and go. Practice that segment as slowly as you need to play it accurately. Imagine that every time you practice a segment like that, you're making a deposit in the bank. Every successful, accurate repetition earns you $1. But every repetition with a mistake costs you $2. And you want to make sure that your balance stays in the positive. When you're practicing, go slow and steady and stack good reps. As you stack those reps, you're going to become more comfortable. Your mind and your muscles are going to remember what it feels like to play it accurately, and you're going to be able to do it faster and more efficiently and have more fun if you just be patient. Now let's go back and let's try all of segment 2 slowly once, and then we'll crank it up. Here we go, slowly. 1 and go. And now up to tempo. Ready, and go. I would love to help you get ready for your next big audition. We have courses for the middle school and the high school soprano, clarinet, all-state etudes. We'll help you with your scales, your etudes, and your sight reading. And during the month of September, you can use the coupon code KICKSTART to save $15 on our course. The course is over 75 minutes of measure by measure, note by note, detailed instruction on how to play these etudes, scales, and sight reading with excellence. If you're interested in private lessons, I'd be happy to help you there too. The links are in the description below, 5starmusicacademy.com. Check us out. We would love to help you get ready for your next big audition.